Recognizing the people of Lilongwe Nyanja to contribute to the issue revolving around xenophobic attacks and repatriation of citizens of this great nation from South Africa back home. It is something which is sad, but when all is said and done, we need to commend the people who expedited the process of ensuring that Malawians who were stuck are being brought home. Listening to the report, Your Honor, the Second Deputy Speaker, you will agree with the people of Lilongwe Nyanja that the chairperson indicated that about 24 billion was budgeted for this process of repatriation. Your Honor, the Second Deputy Speaker, when you were listening to the report, it was very clear that about 15,000 Malawians were targeted to be repatriated back home. Using simple mathematics, Your Honor, if you take 16,000 Malawians into the 24 billion which was budgeted for, Your Honor, the Second Deputy Speaker, it will surely give you an average budget of 1,600,000 per Malawian who is to be repatriated back home. I want to draw your attention, Your Honor, First Deputy Speaker, Second Deputy Speaker, Madam, that when you're looking at the use of that money, the people of Lilongwe Nyanja constituency have deep-felt belief that someone is not being honest in the way these things are being handled. Why? If you go by the buses that take transport people to South Africa and back, on one way, you find that Tsangano Logistics will charge 230,000 Malawi kwacha traveling to South Africa and back. If you look at Matuas, they will charge 250,000 Malawi kwacha. If you look at Ulem, they will charge at 250,000 kwacha. Now, if you look at one of the most expensive one, is in Gobeni, which is 280,000. Now, if you take at 1,600,000 per Malawian, according to the budget, because the budget, if you're looking at, I will not go. Madam Secretary Speaker, can I be protected from the Deputy Leader of the House?
Can I hear the Honourable Member in silence, please? Honourable members from the government side, can I hear the Honourable Member in silence, please? Honourable Deputy Leader, can I hear the Honourable Member in silence, please? Thank you.
Your Honour, the Second Deputy Speaker. If you're looking at, let me wind up, I'll give it.
Honourable Member, because it is allowed to have 2 points of orders, let me take the point of order from the the Deputy Leader of the House. Honourable Deputy Leader, what has gone out of order?
Your Honor, Second Deputy Speaker. Your Honor, Second Deputy Speaker, Mangoji Southwest has got a lot of respect for Lilongwe Nyanja, but I am afraid that respect going forward is going to be doubted because he is misinforming Malawians that a trip to South Africa is costing around 250,000. Yet he must factor in his submission that that bus to be hired from here, it goes to South Africa and comes back, and that is to and back. Now, if he was honest in his assessment, he could be talking about 500,000. Now, that is just for transportation only. The people, before they are picked from South Africa, they are being cared after. No. Let me finish. They are being cared for, and a lot of money is also being spent. People must be fed. And when they come here, they are also given a startup. So what is this misrepresentation that you drive black box? Don't do that again.
Leader,
Don't do that.
Deputy Leader, please.
Black box, don't do that.
Honorable Deputy Leader, you have made up your point.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Deputy.
Can I have order? I would like to agree, because even myself personally, I have supported 2 people from Limpopo, from my constituency, and I was supporting each individual at 800. So this is the fact. I have supported personally. So I want to agree with the calculations which the leader has informed the House. Thank you.
Your Honor, the second Deputy Speaker, it is not in my interest to reflect on the speakership, but I've always believed that figures don't lie. I had only started my submission. I had given a one-way trip. I had not even gotten to the second return trip. Now, I was not even concluding, but I had to respect my dear honorable brother, the Deputy Leader of the House. Let me put this on record. That one-way trip for Tsangano Logistics is 230,000. Matuas is at 250,000. Ulemu is at 250, and Ngomeni is at 280,000. I'll give it a return, madam. We'll give it the most expensive at 300,000 Malawi kwacha. If you take out 300,000 one way, return trip, it gives you 600,000. In that case, if you make calculations, it gives you, out of 1.6 million pay returning citizen, it leaves you with 1 million kwacha. Who is getting that 1 million? Are we telling each other that logistics within South Africa, food and whatever, is costing 1 million, and 600,000 is costing transportation? If that is very expensive, if it is this expensive, Madam Deputy Speaker, the best was to fly these Malawians back home. Because a return ticket from Malawi to South Africa, within 2 hours you land in Malawi with 1.3 million return tickets using Malawian Airlines. So we are making decisions which are unacceptable. You are exposing women to long trips, and others have even given birth along the way, when you have the best option at hand to save better our dear women who are being repatriated from South Africa to here. My question, my simple and straightforward question, without having politics attached, but thinking of all those dear Malawians who are working in South Africa, they are being repatriated back home. Out of that budget, 24 billion against 15,000 people, and everyone being entitled to around 1.6 million Malawi kwacha. When a return flight within 2 hours, you can fly to Malawi and back. In that case, within a day, you can fly over 1,000 people. Who is eating or chewing this money, this balance? That's where I want. So the committee can do better by probing even more to find out the details, who is spending what and how much, and who is. With these remarks, Your Honor, first, second Deputy Speaker, I would like to thank you on behalf of the people of Lilongwe Nyanja constituency for honoring us with this submission. May you save this nation much better than what we're doing now using this. Thank you so much, Your Honor, first Deputy Speaker.